Hello everyone, welcome in third part of Bravo Manju. My dear students, in our previous video we had seen some portion just like on her 13th birthday she got a lot of gifts, right? From her mother, from her father and from Amol also. Okay, Amol means her brother. Now, just see. Right now we shall continue sable here, है ना? From here, sable here. Sable here said her brother, artist quality. Manjula studied the new book from cover to cover and soon used up all her paper. She know for good watercolors paintings she needed special watercolors papers which was expensive, but she asked her mother anyways. Okay, now she got a lot of gift from her mother, father, brother, as etc. Okay, and when she got that all gifts, so that time she used that all. Okay, just like watercolors, sheets, as etc. And when she again required it, उसे वो फिर से ज़रूरत पड़ी, so after that she required it, means for that she demand her और she demand at her mother, उसने उसकी मम्मी की तरफ उसको फिर से डिमांड किया. Now actually when she demands, so that times in this portion our author given one statement, it was expensive, वो काफ़ी महंगे भी थे, it was expensive. Now it's not a matter of a few sheets, said Mr. Parelkar wearily when Mrs. Parelkar spoke to him after dinner. Means what that? When Manju asked that things at her mother, so that times after dinner her mother spoke to her father, है ना? मम्मी ने उनके पप्पा को बता दिया, है ना, कि हमारे मंजू को ये चीज़ें अभी लग रही है ना. सो आफ्टर दैट स्टेटमेंट और ऑन दैट क्वेश्चंस, ऑन दैट रिक्वायरमेंट, व्हाट वाज द स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम मिस्टर पारेलकर, उसके पप्पा का जवाब क्या था, ध्यान से सुनो. इट्स नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ अ फ्यू शीट्स, सेड मिस्टर पारेलकर वियरली व्हेन मिसेस पारेलकर स्पोक टू हिम आफ्टर डिनर, या भी ये डिनर के बाद, खाना खाने के बाद का कन्वर्सेशन है. नाउ आफ्टर वाटर कलर्स इट विल बी ऑयल्स, देन कैनवास एंड व्हाट नॉट. अभी उन्होंने कहा कि ये वाटर कलर्स के बाद उसे ऑयल पेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, फिर बाद में और नए नए शीट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, फिर बाद में कैनवास की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, और पता नहीं और क्या क्या, है ना, और पता नहीं और क्या क्या उसको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. Who said this sentence? This sentence said Mr. Parelkar. Means what that? He was father of Manju. वो मंजू के पिताजी थे. Now, why doesn't she learn something more useful like cooking or stitching? So her father said, वो खाना बनाना क्यों नहीं सीखती है? खाना बनाना सीखना या फिर सिलाई मशीन सीखना, ये क्यों नहीं वो सीखती है? ये किसने कहा? मंजू के पप्पा ने. Now, with those hands of her, she will never become an artist. And her father said, with those hands of her, she will never become an artist. Do you know that right now? उसको क्या थे? सिर्फ 2 ही फिंगर्स थे, इस टाइप से, सिर्फ 2 ही फिंगर्स थे, ये वाले नहीं थे, है ना, ये वाले जो है ये ऐसे नहीं थे, सिर्फ 2 ही थे पूरे फिंगर्स को, सॉरी पूरे हैंड को, सिर्फ 2 ही. और उसमें से भी she has a dream. What was that dream? She want to become an artist. Okay. Now, please, cried her mother, don't say that ever again. उसके बाद उसके मम्मी ने कहा उसके पापा को कि ऐसा मत बोलो, दोबारा ऐसे मत बोलो. Okay. Manjula, who had heard that conversation, returned to her room. She bundled up the watercolors and the 3 brushes and tucked them away into the farthest corner of her cupboard. और जब उसके मम्मी पापा दोनों बात कर रहे थे, आफ्टर दैट डिनर they were talking on that matter on that topic. So that times there was Manjula also. Actually she was hide from that side, and that time she heard that all conversation. उस time उसने वो सब कुछ सुन लिया था, and she run away at her room and she just type that all brush. उसने उसके ब्रश वगैरह बांध दिए, वो कलर ले लिया और एक पूरा टाई करके उसने एक कबर्ड में, एक कॉर्नर में रख दिए. नाउ मदर, she said the next day coming into the kitchen, do you need some help in cooking? Oh, let's see. Next day what happened? And previous day is yesterday, she heard that statement from her father. उसके पप्पा से उसने वो स्टेटमेंट सुना कि वो कुकिंग क्यों नहीं करना चाहती है. उसने कुकिंग सीखना चाहिए, स्टिचिंग सीखना चाहिए, है ना. कुकिंग सीखना चाहिए, स्टिचिंग सीखना चाहिए. So जैसे ही वो उसने सुना, when she just heard that, so in next day what happened? She entered in a kitchen and she asked question to her mother, do you need any kind of help in cooking? है ना, खाना बनाने में तुम्हें कोई मेरी हेल्प लगती है क्या, है ना, मैं हेल्प करूँ क्या. So after that, when that question heard her mother, so that time she replied. उसके बाद उसने रिप्लाई दिया. So let's see what was that reply. Why Manju? Okay, her mother saying, why Manju? Her mother looked at her in surprise, glimpsing the pain in her eyes. Okay, when her mother asked question, why Manju? So when she was looking at her side, so that times she can analyze in her eyes. मंजू के आईज को वो पढ़ सकती थी, देख सकती थी. वो कैसी थी? that eyes was painful, है ना, that eyes was painful. अगर if you just face loss, fail, etc. So that times if you will not speak to someone but your eyes will be express your feeling. वो बोलते हैं ना, अगर आप चेहरे से भी कुछ नहीं बता देते हो फिर भी आपकी आंखें बहुत कुछ बोल देती है ना. So that like same situation happened with मंजू के साथ भी वही सिचुएशन हुई है. Now because said Manjula, right now Manjula replied on that statement. Said Manjula in as steady a voice as she could manage, because I stopped painting and I think cooking is a useful thing. Okay, when her mother asked that question, so that time her voice was steady, थोड़ा धीमे से था, silently था, and she was nervous. Okay, unhappy, and that time she said that I think cooking is useful for me. ऐसा उसने रिप्लाई दिया इस सिचुएशन में, ऐसे सिचुएशन में. What was that? I think cooking is a useful thing for me, है ना, ऐसा उसने रिप्लाई दिया. Now, but why? अमोल was shocked. अमोल ने कहा पर क्यों, है ना, but why? अमोल was shocked. I thought you would enter the one on the spot painting competition in November at my school. You would have easily bagged the first prize. Amol said, but why you are doing that like? And I know that you are taking participate painting competition, and definitely that competition will be held at November or in November month, and you will definitely bag it, means win it, achieve it, that all whatever that competition. Amol said, अमोल ने ये कहा, ठीक है, कि तुम तो कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लेने वाली हो और तुम तो उसे इजीली जीत भी जाओगी. Now, Manjula was through with art. She had given it up for good. However much it hurt. Now, Manju, her mother voice reached her from far away. Will you give me a hand? Your papa is going to Mumbai next week. I have to take out his suit from the trunk. Okay, so in short, in this line we can analyze that Manjula was give up that all her dreams, but at that time, in same times, her mother asked Manju, will you give me a hand? मेरी तुम कुछ मदद करोगे क्या? For what? Because in next week her father will going to Mumbai, right? Mumbai. But when? Next week में उसके पापा मुंबई जा रहे थे, right? So that's why she said, I have to take out his suit from his trunk. और उनके पापा के लिए, मतलब उसके पापा के लिए क्या निकालना था? सूट निकालना था. तो मुझे तुम उसके लिए सहायता करोगी क्या? ऐसा उसकी मम्मी ने पूछा, है ना? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? आई होप यू जस्ट अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. Which is the remaining part. We shall continue our fourth part. Okay, till then, see you, bye bye.